Is that too bad?
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Sorry if I sound throaty. I literally just woke up, and this is like the earliest I've gotten up in a while, and 10 o'clock isn't that impressive, so I definitely need to make a better habit of that.
Yeah, we're making a WRX video.
So we're actually headed to TPG. We're gonna get Joe's cartoon, and if you guys don't know Joe, I'm gonna leave his Instagram in the bio below. You guys should definitely follow him. He has been in multiple of my videos, and my channel would not be where it is today without him. Really excited what he's gonna make horsepower wise. I know he's been waiting a long time to get his tune, and we've been wrenching on it for the past few weeks, so we're at least expecting a decent horsepower gain. PRL Motorsports. Sick. I think this is TPG. Alright, we were just now heading up to the tuning shop at TPG.
Your destination is on the right.
Ooh, an Evo.
This is a Type R.
Oh! Wow, they got some really cool cars out here.
Yeah, they always do.
How much power are you hoping to make?
I'm hoping to make 315.
315, that's the magic number. We put a lot of hours into this, so hopefully at least 310 is what I'm hoping for. Just the minimum. Wow, this is really cool. I've never been in a tuning shop before. Looks like they got the dyno graph over here. Oh, this person has the sticker from the girl from My Hero Academia. Oh, Evos on Evos. Looks like the initial D lineup. Oh, what we have over here? We have GTR. Very nice. So what's really cool is that this screen is actually shared with what's going on inside of the shop. So we're going to be able to see all of the calibrations they're going to make to the vehicle through here. Let's open 315, 315. Just shy short of 315. We're almost there.
You see what it said?
Yeah, I already looked at the graph. You're just shy of 315 already.
Really? Shit.
tuning is done, and the final number we got is we're hitting around 307 to the wheels. That's actually very impressive for the parts we have on here. Whoa, shit! That's crazy. That actually throws me back in my seat. Oh my god! Oh yeah, that sounds great. Oh yeah, for sure. That's not bad. Yeah, 2 hours is not bad. What I really like about this tune is that it actually like throws you back in your seat really hard. And nice. Especially the headers really open it up. I mean, it's just shy of 315, but like 307, almost at 310 is very respectable though.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
It's funny, he doesn't even have his other rain guard on. Oh, wow. Alright, we are now back from the tuning shop from TPG. It has been a very easy experience for him. Joe's car now shoots flames. He is very excited about that, and we didn't even know towards like the end of the video when I asked him, hey, let's just see the two-step. Let's see what it looks like. But yeah, it shoots flames, and a very respectable 307 horsepower, just shy of 310, but it's okay. And for those wondering, I did get a replacement for my WRX already. I have not yet released it. Only a few people know what I got, but I will release it until the next video or so. But let me know in the comments what you guys think I got, and I will let you guys know in the next video. But I'm really excited to see the next journey I take with this car, and I'm really hoping that you guys like the car just as much as I do. Alright, but I'm going to end the video here, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.